My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Sinobi. This Sinobi ransomware attacks many Windows computers. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Sinobi ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So it encrypts files and appends this Sinobi extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note, where it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your funds and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page, which is combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove all other threats fully from your device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.